The accusative and dative personal pronouns. You already know ich, du, er, sie, wir, ihr, sie. And you might already know these forms, so I would like to make it a bit more simple to remember which belongs to which. If you take a look here, the forms are not really an issue. It's like 3, 6, 7 different pronouns for each case. And you see the wir and ihr form, the we and you form in the plural, are even identical, which is just lovely. I want to show you a little trick on how to recognize what to use for er as in sie. As you can see, the ich is contained in the mich of the accusative, so that might help you to remember. The mir, there is no real clue here, but I think that comes naturally. But you might remember the video from the course where I gave you some tips on how to know how to replace the articles der, das, die. And I've marked the endings of the articles because they resemble or they remind me of the pronoun that I have to use. And this actually works the same way with the accusative and the dative. So let me just give you a few clues and then this topic should be no problem for you. You remember the article of the masculine in accusative, and that was den. And you can see den ends in an N, so does ihn. So if you know the article, and that's what I always say, know your articles, then you know which pronoun to use. You would never mistake it for ihm, because you know the article is den and the pronoun ihn. The same with s and z, as the articles are identical to the nominative, I don't write them down here, they work the same way. For the dative, the same. It's beautiful. You remember dative masculine article dem, and now you're thinking, damn, what personal pronoun to use? And you see dem, you have the m in the im of the dative pronoun. The same for the neuter, it's the same article in the dative. Ihm gives away, or dem gives away the pronoun ihm. And for the feminine, the article, as you might know, is der. And you find the er of this article in ear again. So as you can see, the clues are pretty clear if you know the articles. That's all I have to say to this. I hope it makes your life a bit easier.